The parts that we make have to be very precise. And to model that manually takes a lot of time. There had to be a better way to do this.
So what we make is centrifugal air compressors, and predominantly most of our business is, specialized.
We're doing custom designs every time. It takes very long to model those impellers just manually, starting from scratch. The impeller is definitely the critical component, and without that impeller, the compressor wouldn't function.
We could spend almost a week making a new design for a custom impeller. Time was our problem.
So we use the iLogic functionality within Inventor to create this program that can kind of read these complex inputs and translate that into a model automatically. And what that did for us is gave us dramatic time savings. Check this out. So to model an impeller manually took a couple of days previously. With the iLogic program, it takes about 15 minutes. If we're modeling, hundreds of impellers a year, to create this program was absolutely worth it. And the other thing that it's allowed us to do is to model more complex designs that use, hundreds of points that would take a ton of time to do manually.
This is a very competitive industry. Speed to market is crucial within the Autodesk collection. With a few clicks through Inventor, we have a model within minutes versus days.